What do you need to start a real estate business? Well, let me tell you, you know it already. People don't plan to fail, they fail to plan. So today I'm going to tell you a little bit about how you should put your plan to start a real estate business and what type of research you should do to come out of the gates flying. Author of the Modern Wealth Building Formula, how to master real estate investing. And today we're going to show you how to start a real estate investing business and the pitfalls of doing that and how you can prevent that so you are successful. So how do we start a real estate investing business? Well, let's go through the 13 steps. And the first one is write a business plan. Now, write a business plan. I already have one for you, so check it out on my website. But why do you write a business plan? Because like I said in the beginning, people don't plan to fail, they fail to plan. Now, business plan, you don't have to go crazy because probably no one's going to read it. But you need to write it once or get everything down so you could start to speak it, what your business is about, what niche you're in, what are you doing, how are you serving, what is your purpose, what is your why. And by writing a business plan, you flush all those goodies out for you to start that real estate business. Now, there may be some mixed opinions on number 2, but you want to hire a business attorney. You do want to run everything by an attorney, even though you can create your own documents, own your own company, start your own company, all that kind of good stuff. Even though I make deals, write my own contracts, all that kind of good stuff, I always run it by the attorney as a second set of eyes. And that is a critical second step when you're getting started. You want a second set of eyes to look at your legalities and your accounting aspects. You could take advantage of all the taxation benefits and the goodies of starting a real estate investing business. And while we're here today to show you these steps. The next real important thing is systems, right? 94% of businesses fail, so you have to set up systems. And the 2 important systems that I would say are number 1, let's just leave it at the number 1, is your accounting and bookkeeping systems. With accounting and bookkeeping systems in place, it simplifies it at the end of the year to prepare your taxes, and it keeps track of your cost to date at all times. And what is so important is measuring and tracking your costs, and that is a critical element when you start a business. Tracking your costs, keeping your budgets, and keeping in line with your budgets so that at the end of the year you have a profit. You want to assess your finances and look at establishing business credit. There are so many entities out there that will help you establish your business credit by sometimes either utilizing your personal credit or not utilizing your personal credit, depending in what situation you are. But you want to establish some business credit and have someone hold your hand. And if you need some credit repair, there's people out there. You can check out my girl, Noelle Randall. She does specialists in credit repair. Just give us a call and we'll help you get it done. You may want to consider getting a license. I was a general contractor, then I became a real estate license. Licenses open up the doors. Sometimes you use them, sometimes you don't. I have a professional engineer's license. I have a site safety manager's license. I've used them both. Today, I don't use them. I don't do engineering. I don't do site safety management, but it opened up a lot of doors, so you may want to consider getting a license. I am your insurance, but in a business, you do need business insurance, right? You want to make sure that when someone breaks in your office, steals your computers, all that kind of good stuff, or someone trips on the sidewalk coming into your building, or if you have a job site, you want to have insurance, right? Insurance is for a reason, in case you need it. Don't skip corners. I had a friend, thought he was cute, didn't buy the policy he wanted, finished this beautiful house. It had this hatched roof. He started his first fire. Some stuff came out the chimney, lit up the roof, and he burned down his $5 million house. And he didn't have enough insurance. So get your insurance. This is my favorite, crunching the numbers. You know, they told me one time I was a nerd, paralysis analysis, looking at projections, all that kind of stuff. But yes, crunch the numbers. Look at what the budget's going to be for that first year. Look at what the line items. Set up that accounting like I told you, that chart of accounts. Measure what you're doing. But yes, follow that and crunch those numbers. Identity. Who are you for the consumer? What is your why? You want to establish identity. Is it a program you created? Is it your story? Figure out what your brand is. Get in touch with a branding expert. I was never a branding expert. I was never a video expert. I didn't know what I was doing when I first got started. There is never gonna be a shortage in resources. It's your resourcefulness. Let's go. Go out there and get it. Build an online presence. That's right. Social media, videos. Don't be afraid to not be camera shy. One of the toughest things is standing up and speaking to someone. I wasn't good at doing this at one time. So get that social presence. Practice. Get in the mirror. You remember, I'm a magician. I spent so much time in front of the mirror practicing tricks, looking at angles, misdirection. Not that I ever wanted to fool anybody. It was to be able to bring magic into those people's lives. More time, money, and magic. That's right. Create a sales plan, which means leverage. Create a sales team. You want to eliminate, delegate, automate. That's right. When you start the process, there was a time when I was in the field. I'm no longer my field superintendent. There was a time I did project management. Now I don't do project management. You're starting out. You're wearing all those hats. Well, you have to learn how to eliminate a hat, delegate a hat, and automate a hat. Joining a team. That's right. That's another word for ecosystem merging or networking into another group, because you know what? You can't do it yourself. That's right. You have no control of what's happening. So why not merge ecosystem with somebody? Have someone hold your hand. Yes, that's just an option, but I'm here to give you one of the steps. And I say, join a team. I was a team player since I was in high school, an all-state team player in football, and I brought that teamwork to the gridiron. So join a team, create a team, make a team, and win. Grow your business. Don't reinvent the wheel. Research on Google. I didn't have Google when I got started. Find mentors. Research on how to grow your business, right? Why? Because growth attracts money. And speaking about money, don't forget to log in at kenvanloo.com and get my 11millionairesecrets.com. So get ready, start that business, find, fund, and facilitate, put the wherewithal behind you. Why? Because being in business gives you so many advantages. Tax write-offs, freedom, and that's what we're here for, to give you more money, time, and magic. Hey guys, before we get out of here, I just want to thank you as always. In case you haven't, just hit that button below. And if you want a free planning session, you could actually talk to me direct. I'm still taking calls. Go to kenvanloo.com, get that free planning session. And guys, this is what you want to do. Start your own business. And the modern wealth building formula applies for any business, but we're here to talk about real estate. But start your real estate business today and make it a great day.